Hey y'all, good morning. Please excuse my appearance. I'm looking, it's not even morning no more. I don't got no watch on, but it's like almost 2 o'clock. And I'm trying to get up for the day and do something with my life. So as you can see, I got my little, my braids. I'm about to bobby pin them up because I'm about to put my wig on. And like I was telling y'all yesterday, the other wig wasn't doing it for me, baby. So I'm about to put this wig back on with a blonde because I just feel like it just matches me and how I feel. So I do need to kind of clean this lace up a little bit. Hold on. Okay, I definitely like this hair much better. Okay, I feel like a whole new woman. The other wig, it was just making me feel I was already feeling down, but it was making me feel even more like baby, a hairstyle will make or break how the fuck you look. I don't care what nobody say. Your hair will make or break how you feel. For real. Not saying that I need wigs to make me feel confident, because baby, if you know me, then you know I don't mind rocking my real hair. But I just like to switch it up, and I don't want to damage my hair by putting a lot of heat in this shit. So yes, I feel so much better. Welcome to Vlogmas day 4. I'm dead. Okay, I'm trying to see, do I want to glue down the sides? I ain't really glue the sides down. I do need some more glue though, because baby, I'm scraping the bottom of this glue. I had this glue for like a year though. I've had this glue for like a year. And it's about that time to get some more. So I might go to the beauty supply store later on. So I can re-up. But yeah, my hair is done. It's back to how I like it. I'm spraying up water in it. All right. Look how long it says to freaking upload this video. 2 hours and 21 minutes. Like, what the hell? That shit is long as hell. It ain't never took 2 hours. Maybe because everybody's trying to upload at the same time, but girl. That's a long ass time. So that means I need to start uploading in the middle of the night or something, and not waiting until the day of, because that's a long ass time. 2 hours and 17 minutes. It's usually like an hour to upload. Yeah, I'll say an hour, and sometimes it don't even take the whole hour, but 2 hours and now 15 minutes, girl. I don't know. Okay, y'all, it's about almost 7. I just woke up. I had to take a nap because I was up late last night. I did not go to sleep till probably like 5. I think it was that late, 5 in the morning. So my body just shut down and my ass went to sleep. But now I'm up and I'm about to cook some dinner. Okay. I'm about to cook this salmon because I'm trying to, cook a little healthy dinner. So I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna put a little olive oil in the pan. Just a little bit. I should cook them in the air fryer, but I don't feel like doing all that. But yeah, I showed y'all earlier. I put my wig back on. It's kind of poofy. I didn't like define the curls. I just combed it out, and then I had finished editing the vlog for today. And then I'm just about to use the usual seasonings that I use.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic.
This the rice I'm about to use. The boil in a bag. Cause baby, I be having. I know how to cook. I know how to cook. But when it comes to white rice, I be fucking up. So I'm using the bag. And this is so much easier because it's done in like 5 minutes. Where's that? 8 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. Okay. I want to make these green beans, and I really want to make like teriyaki style. So I want to put this teriyaki, Panda Express teriyaki sauce on it. So I think we put these in the microwave first. I'm putting them in the microwave first and then finish cooking them on the skillet. This side, alright, this is how the salmon is cooking. Probably needs to be flipped by now. Alright, I flipped the salmon over. I like it to be crispy, so yeah. Then I got the bag over here. I added some butter. And then this is the skillet I'm going to use for the string beans. So I'm going to add a little olive oil to that pan.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you.
I'm going to add some seasoning blends to this.
Let me watch how you move that thing, girl. Cause that thing is a weapon. When I'm with you, I'm still winning. Even if I come second, I swear that each and every time that I hit, feel more like a legend. So I bought you the panties with the bow. Said that's a present. Maybe you should put your phone down. Nobody around. Don't worry about no sound. We could just go now. around. We can just know how. We can just go now, yeah, we can just.
Hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up, and them nasty up.
Nobody around, nobody around.
Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking and the fucking realest. Chick. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his skin silicone and realness. Girl a little breeze for the head of the penis. Best breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Pink salt. The salad is pretty much done. I just gotta kind of like on low, which I'm about to turn off. And then the green beans are done. I just want to saute them and make sure that they all the way tender. And dinner is pretty much ready, and that was a pretty quick meal. I think it only took like 30 minutes. So I'm probably gonna let these green beans saute for a little bit longer, probably like a couple more minutes, and then I'll be ready to fix my food. All right, here is the final plate. I got my my teriyaki green beans, my salmon, and my rice, and this looks real good as fuck. If y'all don't know, green beans is my favorite vegetable, so that's why it's like a whole bunch of them on there. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to eat. And that concludes Vlogmas Day 4. Yeah, I think that concludes Vlogmas Day 4. Thank y'all for kicking it with me on today. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow.